Hello, today we will guide you through how to add payment method in Meta Business Suite. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your browser and log into your account. Make sure you're signing into the correct business account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're on the landing page, click Get Started to enter the main dashboard. After that, look to the left side of the screen and select Ads Manager. This is where Meta keeps advertising tools and billing-related settings. When the menu expands, click Billing and Payments. This section is where you can review payment activity, manage billing details, and update how your ad charges are handled. Next, select Payment Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage your saved payment methods. If this is your first time setting one up, the page may look fairly empty, and that's completely normal. On this screen, click the Add Payment Method button to begin. You'll now be asked to fill in your payment information. Follow the prompts shown on your screen carefully. Depending on your region or account type, the options may vary slightly, but the process is generally straightforward. Take a moment to review each field before moving forward so you can avoid errors that might delay approval. Once the requested information has been entered, click Next. This will move you to the next part of the setup, where you'll continue adding your payment method details. Again, follow the on-screen instructions exactly as they appear. Meta may ask for billing-related information connected to your chosen payment method, so it's important to enter everything accurately. If you are adding a card, continue by filling in the card details as prompted on the screen. Be sure the card number, expiration date, and any other required details are entered correctly. It's also a good idea to double-check the billing information to make sure it matches the information associated with the card. This helps reduce the chance of payment issues later. When everything has been completed and reviewed, click Save. That will store the payment method in your Meta Business Suite account so it can be used for billing and advertising charges going forward. As a final tip, after saving, it's helpful to stay on the page for a few seconds and confirm that the payment method appears correctly in your settings. If Meta requests any verification, simply follow the additional prompts shown on screen. And that's it. You've successfully added a payment method in Meta Business Suite.